You're the lighthouse in the storm. You're a whisper in the ocean. You're the silence of the dawn. You're the echo of a heartbreak. You're a fire in my mind. You're the spirit in the forest. You're the reason to my rhyme.